OK Furniture's summer of savings is here, and we bring the hit with sizzling deals. Explore our catalog for unbeatable savings on smartphones, sleep essentials, premium appliances, and more, and shop these must-haves by the 11th of January 2026. We've got everything you need for the set this season, online and in store at OK Furniture. Get them while they're hot and while stock lasts. T's and C's apply.
Tiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. tiskitimes.co.za. Junior. Another Mantini, I'm so disappointed. I'm hurt. I was hoping we could at least make the last 8. In my opinion, we didn't lose to the best team, did we?
No.
We didn't lose to the best team. Lomdlalo was there for the taking, and iyabonakalisa Junior ukuthi kwi-tournament ezinje, when it comes to knockout, you can survive mhlawumbe kwi-group stages when you miss lamathuba amaphoswe phaa, for example, la chance karele, that opportunity kakabini, that if you don't convert those chances, then indlela yakho yokuthi ugoduke iyavuleka, because iCameroon, after those 2 chances, they got just 1 deflected chance. Yayakho player ehleli yodwa eCameroon, back of the net, 1-0. So uyabona nje ukuthi ezinye izinto kwe-knockout i-experience okanye if luck is not on your side, then you might be out. Otherwise, Junior mandikubulise mfethu, right?
Esheni mabrada kunjani?
Okay.
Ngibulise Justice, Justify, ngibulise Lindo Pep. Nkululeko mabrada. Ngibulise Benedict Sovilakazi, ngibulise uBobo. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Tiski TV, fighting no one tried to fix South African football. Mina Shane, I'll be honest, I'm not surprised, Fitu. I'm not surprised when we are knocked out, especially in the tournament. How we played against Egypt first half, I'm not convinced. Yeah, second half when those guys got the red card. How we played against Zimbabwe, not convinced. Truly speaking, Nangale game, I will say, especially Angola as well, I was not that convinced. Yes, we won the game, not convinced. Coming to this game, I mean, starting 11 said question mark. Coach are gonna excuse. Our coach doesn't have excuse. We started with 5 defenders, but he conceded 2 goals. I'm not too sure it's him or players. Defender of 5, which is Udlale Ngombogazi, Ilengwenya Lokabini, came from as a wing back, sort of. Ungezana Usibisi, Mbogazi. Also, Obas, I will say Tebza, yes, Begadala sort of as a 8, but Bebam more to come and defend. When we don't have the ball, Tebza was Itaska Kebeguta as a defender. Those guys started the ball, he came up on a 3-4-3. I think tactically, by totally wrong, those guys, because they almost got beaten, but without good seven amateka bapaya, besana amateka maning, bes no really a police, nalengwenya lo Froster. But you almost punish them. I mean, lepola la gubel cholum diba, le belinga lega left, tel cholu cabin, or mremi, or riena, or police, or ganye no really a goal. First 10 minutes, Cholamatre cut chances. But what I love, especially I think these guys, there was a lot of concentration from them. 10 minutes, we look like we dominated. Bespa Prikala inside. Well done to Tebza for a movement of the ball, and also Obas a combination. Combine. How they combine and the 4 passes. Ipola Suala at the back, Umbogazu Dala Central. We are 10 Utebza, Udala this guy, really go straight to the unfortunately really lo mina ngibone kubhetwe week in and week out ushay target lapha ilento engikhuluma ngale tournament experience. Some players in this tournament iba gwenyile tournament. We need to be realistic. Urile lapha either shy target goalkeeper save or shy target to shine it. Uta miss the target all round, like I'm disappointed. And also Froster got a chance. I'm not too sure why Chita ngakorang. Chita's my expectation from him. Udlale Europe le Chita. Finish. Just finish. And then this leader, these guys but now these guys, I think a very experienced team. One player wafi wahlala phansi. I think on the left hand side ngaku corner spot. Tactical change, the coach wababiza bahlala phansi chance bhekana. kunento esingayenzi kahle. These guys, they are playing a 5 at the back, they're playing with 3 in the middle, they left 2 up front there. And Nina, with 3 at the back,
benzani bona abe Cameroon after ndayiva le point ibekaya ukuthi
I think
ikhona into abayichinjileyo
what they did, they went badlala nga 5 at the back. They play exactly like similar like us. They played 5 at the back, 3 in the middle, and then kwaba 1v1 in the midfield now. They 2 up front there. We understand. And azange babe nenkinga ukuthi can have ibhola yafinithu kube ne movement like silshere ngikhuluma nge build up, and then we are forced now to play long balls. And these guys left of concentration. Umbeu now became ngoba thina into abayi expectile from us, beba expect ama wing forward, which is really no police. But what we did sibadlalise sort of double number 10 bangene phakathi. These guys are moving back, full backs, which is Umdau, na this guy ukabini yibo beba up front forward. So these guys, they were confused how to mark really, and now these guys were police. I think they were confused there, but I think they sorted out in Tabayenzile. They tell this guy Mbeu to come. I side like a right, because he was playing on the right, cutting in. Umbeuma, Lord Lalagu Manchester. He came become
now
number 10.
sorry ngoqhawula. Now uyangichazela ukuthi iCameroon ibonile le nto yenziwa eSouth Africa, then they also changed eyabo information. Now ke ngoku ungucoach Hugo Bros, ngumkhelele, there's also analysts bafana. Now xa ubona ukuthi okay iqinga lethu libhaqewe ngo, what do you do as ibafana?
The answer is very simple. This guy is a very luckiest coach. This I've been saying, Mina. Like sometimes when you win, you fool other people. And you can't blame people. People will bajabula. As a country, lento bengikhuluma nabo Lindo kule show yaba Lindo ismash. Ngithi kunothando kunevara. We need to stick to a reality.
What is a reality?
Reality ukuthi kumele ukhuluma into nje njalo. It's a fact. I mean, I didn't see our country coming back here. The reason being not because these guys are stronger. We playing this tournament like it's no hope kule tournament. Our players never rise from the first game. Going to the first game, how we played against Angola, I think some players are game. In this tournament, he didn't give you nothing. Like, we need to be realistic. Bonabongezana coming to this tournament, look shaking. First game. We understand. That's true, Shane. And I see the coach, Nanamhlanju, when there's so many changes. Ngimbonile bring some other players. Players are not when some changes, but you're going to knockout now. Begmele ube build up to those players. Bonabo Obas, ngikhuluma ngalama game abo Zimbabwe. Akube build up. Bonabo really. Now uzothi really akaknikanga next. We were build up with this boy. Umdlalisile uma group stages ukuthi amfana ke ni momentum, the confident come. Because this tournament is so big, you're exposing some other players. So coach Lowetu, he also failed us as well. How he started the game, ne reaction yakho bheka amasapo akho keep our police. Why take out the best player in our side? I think police bekumele ngabumekile. Also taking out urile naye bekamelanga umkhipha urile.
Imasoro Junior, if I make Shinga coach, would you say it was wrong? Mhlawumbe because we lost, or it was wrong njengendlela oqala ngayo? Because we must also be factual, we must also be realistic, Junior ukuthi we can't go toe to toe with this team, Cameroon.
Why?
Junior, we must be honest with ourselves. We must know where we are as a country. We must be honest.
So you go back to say...
No, I'm saying, let them this is Cameroon. Most of their players are playing in Europe.
Yes.
Most of the players here to Zidlala, upper locally. So I don't think it would have been wiser for us to see attacking. I know we love attacking football. We have to play attacking football. Yes. But sometimes we have to be realistic, Junior, and see who you are coming up against.
Shane, for me, if we go with 4 at the back, I know they say best players in modern football are wing back. If we play with 4 flat and rely on our attackers, we can go pound to pound with these guys. Assemble proper players. Now coach has to answer all the questions that we saw. Where's Green Kekana? Where's Renas? He's going to answer. Where's Tembigo Seloch? Because those players, the players belong with the tournament. If we rely on our attacker, we as country, Shane, I started up 4. If you want to compete with these guys, going to like knockout stages, play with back flat, but back 4, and play with no more 2 defensive midfield, no problem. But play with 4 that are very, I'm a player was decisive. Our attackers were not convincing in this tournament. Also, how we defend terrible. I need to be honest. Everything being in this tournament for me, so coach gonna question our answer. Now, if he won, there was nobody that was gonna ask. Yes, pound to pound, we can't go to this. But these guys, Shane, they are more physical than us. If we move the ball quick and you move off the ball, like technically, Lama shot pass, dribble them. Not dribble just to dribble to eliminate. We're going to punish these guys. But now, if we're gonna go with the formation coach we're like my fullbacks. These guys, they're very clever, smart. As much as they've got a coach outside, Shane, you've got players who can read the game, who can punish you very easy. Manga check out this guy, 2 players. They changed the dimension of the game. Number 2. A very dynamic player. But 2 up front, a second striker and a striker. And like one right, on the right hand side, we sort of a false 9. And then they came and played double number 10. But like they didn't have a striker. They are coachable also, they are very smart here. So yes, we can't compete with them. How we approach a game, we cannot compete with them. But truly speaking, for me, I don't think they are special. I said we're going to lose the game because of our coach. And how we approach games, he always approach game defensive, and then you want to react. So coach in this game also is failures. And I'm very disappointed, Shane. And honestly speaking, Bafana tried here. Pound to pound, I will say we could go with these guys. I know they're playing in Europe, but not honestly, I don't think as a country they can beat us, these guys. Once we can play according to our strength and our coach can believe in our attacking players.
Okay, Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That is Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. We're watching Lomdlalo with Cameroon, Africa Cup of Nations, where Bafana were eliminated. Cameroon win again, go 2-1. We are out. They are coming back home. And now it seems like since our focus are more we pay to a premiership because Africa Cup of Nations iphelile namhlanje Morocco siyabuya. It's Cameroon 2 Bafana 1. Thank you so much for watching it.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.